OpenAI just launched a feature that could completely reshape how we interact with AI in our daily lives. It's called Tasks in ChatGPT. Think of it as your own proactive digital assistant. We're talking about an AI that schedules your tasks, sends reminders, and even helps you manage projects, all through natural conversation. But here's the real kicker. This is just the beginning. Some experts are calling it the start of the agentic era in AI. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see why this feature is a game changer and how it could impact the future of AI assistants. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Tasks feature? Tasks is a new feature in ChatGPT that allows you to set up reminders, schedule jobs, and even create recurring tasks, all directly through a conversation with ChatGPT. It's part of OpenAI's push to make ChatGPT more proactive. And what do we mean by proactive? Well, instead of just reacting to your requests, it can anticipate your needs. Imagine having an AI assistant that doesn't wait for you to ask. It acts before you even realize you need help. One of the coolest things? It works across platforms. You can get reminders on your desktop, mobile, or even through web notifications. And you can set up recurring tasks, like a virtual calendar that you can talk to. Pretty handy, right? Now, you're probably wondering, how does this stack up against other virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant? Well, the big difference is the interface. ChatGPT's natural language capabilities make setting up tasks incredibly easy. You don't have to use rigid commands or follow specific templates. Just tell it what you need and it figures it out. For example, you can say, "Remind me to call Sarah tomorrow at 3 p.m." And it sets it up without you having to open any app or go through menus. It's like having a conversation with your assistant, but smarter. Plus, it's context-aware. That means if you're discussing a project in a chat, it can suggest relevant tasks based on what you've been talking about. Siri and Alexa? They're not quite there yet. And here's where it gets interesting. ChatGPT can even proactively suggest tasks. For example, if you've mentioned a deadline, it might say, "Hey, do you want me to set a reminder for this?" That's a whole new level of interaction. All right, so how can you actually use tasks in real life? Let's break down some key applications. First up, personal productivity. Imagine having a virtual executive assistant that helps you manage your schedule, remind you about meetings, and track deadlines. You could say something like, "Remind me to send that report before the meeting." And boom, ChatGPT's got it covered. Next, let's talk about professional use. For project management, tasks can be a game changer. Picture this. Your team is discussing a project in a chat, and ChatGPT steps in to suggest follow-up tasks or send reminders to the group. It doesn't stop there. Sales and customer relationship management. Imagine ChatGPT reminding sales reps to follow up with clients based on previous conversations. It's like having a personal assistant for your entire team. And what about healthcare and wellness? This one's huge. Tasks can help users manage medication schedules, send wellness check reminders, and even encourage healthy habits like drinking water or taking breaks. It's proactive care built right into your assistant. Now, no technology is perfect. Let's talk about some of the challenges and limitations of tasks. First up, privacy concerns. Some users might be hesitant to let ChatGPT access personal data to manage tasks. It's a valid concern, and OpenAI will need to address it to gain widespread trust. Another limitation? Right now, Tasks is only available to users with ChatGPT Plus or Pro accounts. So it's not something everyone can access for free, yet. But here's what's really exciting. OpenAI is likely working toward a fully autonomous agent, something they're calling Operator. Imagine a version of ChatGPT that not only suggests tasks, but actually completes them for you. We're talking about a future where your assistant doesn't just remind you, it handles the work. So, why does this matter? What does it mean for the future of AI assistants? For developers, this opens up huge opportunities. OpenAI's API could allow developers to integrate tasks into their own apps, creating new business models and services. For users, it's a shift from reactive AI to proactive AI. Instead of waiting for you to ask for help, your assistant anticipates your needs. That's a critical step toward truly agentic systems. And for businesses, this technology can enhance customer engagement, automate support, and boost employee productivity. It's not just a chatbot anymore, it's a business tool. So there you have it. OpenAI's new Tasks feature is a glimpse into the future of AI assistants. We're moving from reactive assistants to proactive agents. What do you think? Would you let an AI handle your daily tasks? And what would you want your assistant to do for you? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights into the future of AI. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way. See you in the next video.